The Secure America Act is now in effect, fundamentally altering the immigration landscape as of August 2025. Whether you hold a green card, are applying for a visa, or sponsoring a loved one, the rules have changed significantly. This landmark legislation, enacted quietly, is already impacting countless immigrants. If you're planning to file, renew, or adjust your immigration status, this video will break down exactly what's different and how you can prepare effectively. Stay tuned to understand the new realities and take proactive steps to protect your immigration journey. Welcome to Immiscope, your trusted source for U.S. immigration updates. If you're a green card holder, visa applicant, or sponsoring a family member, this video is for you. Many of you are over 40, having built stable lives for your families and careers. But the Secure America Act, also known as H.R. 1, has transformed the immigration landscape since August 2025. Signed earlier this year, this act centralizes enforcement, limits officer discretion, and links federal systems, impacting even long-term legal residents. These changes threaten the stability you've worked hard for. In this video, we'll explain the act, who it affects, and how to strengthen your case. Let's dive in. What is the Secure America Act? The Secure America Act, H.R. 1, signed on July 4, 2025, is the cornerstone of the Trump administration's 2025 immigration overhaul. Passed via reconciliation with a 51-50 Senate vote and Vice President J.D. Vance's tiebreaker, it allocates $170.7 billion for enforcement, including $45 billion for detention and $29.9 billion for deportations. Unlike physical border walls, it builds a digital enforcement network, connecting USCIS with the IRS, DMV, Social Security, and Department of Labor for real-time data sharing. This means stricter screenings, more denials, and fewer appeal options, even for legal residents. Key changes since August 1, 2025. The Act's major provisions began on August 1, 2025. Mandatory biometrics, fingerprinting, facial scans, and digital verification are now required for nearly all immigration filings, including green card renewals, Form I-90, visa applications, and family petitions. This data is shared with law enforcement and employment databases, flagging issues like unauthorized work or identity changes. Cross-agency data sharing, USCIS cross-verifies applications with IRS tax records, DMV licenses, Social Security, and Department of Labor data. Minor inconsistencies, like a mismatched address or unreported income, can trigger delays, audits, or denials. Stricter fee policies, fee waivers are nearly eliminated unless applicants are well below the poverty line. Denied waivers result in case rejection without review or refund, affecting DACA, green card, and citizenship applications. Green card rescreenings, renewals trigger full background and financial reviews, examining immigration history, work records, and legal issues, even if sealed. Mismatches can lead to ICE referrals or denials without warning. Upcoming changes on August 21, 2025. A second phase of enforcement begins on August 21, introducing even stricter measures. Green card rescreening, existing green card holders will undergo comprehensive rescreenings, including identity verification cross-referenced with DMV records. Enhanced public charge rules, the law reinstates and tightens the public charge criteria, evaluating applicants based on past and present use of public benefits like Medicaid, housing assistance, or food stamps. Financial stability must now be proven with robust documentation. Uniform scrutiny, long-term residents are no longer exempt from rigorous checks. Every applicant, regardless of their history in the U.S., is evaluated as if applying for the first time. These updates signal a shift toward a more uniform and unforgiving immigration process. Impact on green card renewals. Previously, renewing a green card was a straightforward process. Under the Secure America Act, Form I-90 submissions now trigger an exhaustive review, including full background checks. USCIS examines your entire immigration history, employment records, tax filings, and any legal issues, even if previously resolved or expunged. Automated flagging, discrepancies, such as mismatched addresses or unreported income, can lead to automatic rejections or referrals to Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, without prior warning. This heightened scrutiny means green card holders must approach renewals with meticulous preparation to avoid unexpected complications. Elimination of fee waivers. Fee waivers, once a lifeline for low-income applicants, are now extremely difficult to obtain. USCIS has narrowed eligibility to those well below the poverty line, and denials are common. A rejected fee waiver request can result in the entire application being returned without review or refund, affecting a wide range of filings, including DACA renewals, green card applications, and naturalization petitions. Applicants must now budget for full fees or risk case rejection. Universal biometric requirements. Since August 1, biometric data collection is mandatory for nearly all immigration processes. This includes green card holders and applicants. Fingerprinting, facial scans, and digital identity checks are now standard. Sponsors and U.S. citizens, even those filing petitions for relatives, may need to provide biometrics. Data sharing. Biometric data is shared with law enforcement and employment databases, increasing the likelihood of flagging past issues like unauthorized work, name changes, or filing errors. This interconnected system makes it easier for the government to detect inconsistencies instantly. Cross-agency data sharing. Your immigration application is no longer reviewed solely by USCIS. It's now cross-checked with IRS. Tax returns and income records are scrutinized for consistency. DMV, driver's license and address data must align with immigration filings. Other agencies, employment history and public benefit usage are verified across federal systems. A single discrepancy, such as an unreported job or a different address, can flag your case as high risk, leading to delays or denials. Stricter public charge rules. The Secure America Act revives and strengthens the 2020 public charge rule, making it more rigorous. Key points include benefit usage scrutiny. Past or current use of public benefits, even temporarily, can jeopardize your application. This includes Medicaid, food stamps, or housing subsidies. A historical review. Officers assess your entire benefit history, not just current usage. Discontinuing benefits now won't erase past records. A financial proof. Applicants must demonstrate stable income and minimal reliance on public assistance through detailed documentation. These rules demand a higher level of financial transparency and stability. Affidavit of support requirements. Sponsors filing Form I-864 face increased pressure to prove financial reliability. Requirements include comprehensive documentation, 3 years of tax returns, W-2s or 1099s, employment letters, and bank statements are mandatory. Zero tolerance for gaps. Incomplete or unclear financial records often lead to requests for evidence, RFEs, or denials. Weak sponsor applications are a leading cause of rejections under the new law, making airtight documentation critical. Who's most affected? The Secure America Act disproportionately impacts certain groups, including applicants with criminal records. Even sealed or dismissed charges can trigger scrutiny. Public benefit users. Any history of benefit use, even years ago, may lead to denials. Individuals with irregular records, unfiled taxes, unreported income, or fake work records pose significant risks. If you fall into these categories, consult a licensed immigration attorney before filing to mitigate potential issues. Who benefits from the law? While the law is stringent, some applicants may see advantages. Clean records. Those with consistent immigration, criminal, and financial histories may experience faster processing due to automated systems. Well-documented filings. Complete and accurate applications are prioritized, reducing delays for strong cases. Applicants who meet these criteria can leverage the streamlined system to their advantage. Essential documents to prepare. To navigate the new system, every applicant should compile a robust file, including a valid passport, ensure it's current or include a copy of an expired one. A green card copy, provide documentation of your current or previous green card. Tax records, submit 3 years of tax returns, W-2s, or 1099s. Employment verification, include pay stubs, job letters, and proof of stable employment. Proof of residence, provide utility bills, lease agreements, or other address verification. Legal history, obtain an FBI background check or police clearance certificate if you've had legal issues. A comprehensive file reduces the risk of delays, RFEs, or denials. For immediate steps to take. To protect your immigration status, act now with these steps. 1. Correct tax records. Work with a certified tax preparer to amend and file any missing or incorrect tax returns immediately. 2. Discontinue public benefits. If feasible, switch to private or employer-based health insurance and document the transition. 3. Organize financial records. Ensure income, bank deposits, job letters, and rent payments align and are well documented. 4. Address legal issues. Obtain a criminal history summary and review it with an attorney to resolve any discrepancies. Taking these steps proactively can prevent costly delays or denials. The Secure America Act has transformed the U.S. immigration system in 2025, creating a more interconnected and unforgiving process. Your case is now subject to scrutiny from multiple federal agencies, including the IRS, DMV, and Homeland Security. Errors, no matter how small, can lead to serious consequences. However, with a clean record and thorough documentation, you can navigate this system successfully. Act now to prepare your file and avoid being caught off guard. The stakes are higher than ever, but preparation is your best defense. If this video helped you understand the Secure America Act, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications for future updates from Immiscope. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.